Here are 10 facts about Marseille Velodrome Stadium that you probably didn't know. Number 10 is definitely going to surprise you, so make sure you stick around for that one. But first, let me tell you a little bit about this stadium. The Marseille Velodrome Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium in Marseille, France, which is home to the football club Olympique de Marseille. It was built in 1937 and has a capacity of over 67,000 people. The stadium is known for its unique atmosphere and passionate fans, making it one of the most intimidating places for visiting teams to play. Now, let's get into those facts. Number 10, atmosphere. First of all, I would like to start with a fact about the atmosphere at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium. The atmosphere at the Velodrome is truly unique and something that every football fan should experience at least once. The passion and intensity of the Marseille fans is legendary, and they are known for creating an intimidating atmosphere for the opposition. The Velodrome is one of only a few stadiums in Europe with stands entirely dedicated to home supporters, which makes for an incredible atmosphere when they are all behind the team. This creates a cauldron of noise and pressure that can be deafening to the opposition and can often be heard long after the final whistle has blown. The atmosphere at the Velodrome is so legendary that it was voted as the best in Europe by fans in a UEFA poll in 2016. In fact, the stadium is considered to be one of the most atmospheric venues in world football. And if you haven't experienced it yet, then you're missing out on one of the great things that football has to offer. Now we move on to number 9, the Ultras. Speaking of the fans, let's talk about the Ultras. The Ultras are a group of hardcore Marseille supporters who are known for their passionate and sometimes controversial support of the team. They are located in the lower tier of the North Stand, and their numbers can reach up to 2,000 members. The Ultras are known for their elaborate choreography and for creating a wall of sound during games. They have been in existence since the late 1980s, and their influence on the atmosphere at the Velodrome is undeniable. However, they have also been involved in a number of incidents with the police due to their extreme behavior. In recent years, the club has tried to crack down on their activities, but the Ultras remain a powerful force at the Velodrome. And now we move on to No. 8, the Green Inferno. The Green Inferno is a nickname given to the Marseille Velodrome Stadium because of the passionate and intense atmosphere created by the home fans. The name was inspired by the 1978 film of the same name directed by Eli Roth. The film follows a group of American tourists who are stranded in the Amazon jungle and must fight for survival against a tribe of cannibals. The film is known for its graphic violence and intense action. However, the nickname is not meant to be taken literally, and it is simply used to describe the atmosphere at the stadium. The fans of Marseille are known for their passionate and sometimes aggressive support of the team, and they can create an intimidating atmosphere for the opposition. This is similar to the way that the film depicts the struggle for survival in the Amazon jungle, hence the nickname. The nickname has been used in a number of articles and media coverage of the Velodrome and has become a popular way to describe the atmosphere at the stadium. Moving on to number 7, the Players' Tunnel. The Players' Tunnel at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium is one of the most iconic features of the ground. It is a narrow passageway that leads from the dressing rooms to the pitch and is covered with graffiti and paintings depicting the history of the club. The tunnel is located beneath the North Stand and is accessible to both the home and away teams. However, the home team dressing room is situated directly beneath the North Stand, while the away team dressing room is located further down the tunnel. The Players' Tunnel has become a symbol of the passion and history of Olympique de Marseille and is a popular spot for fans to take pictures. It is also an important part of the match day experience for the players who have to walk through the tunnel to get onto the pitch. The tunnel is often decorated with banners and flags, and the noise from the fans can be deafening as the players make their way to the pitch. Overall, the Players' Tunnel at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium is a unique and memorable feature of the ground. It is a testament to the club as history and a reminder of the passionate support they receive from their fans, No, 6. The North Curve. The North Curve is a nickname for the North Stand at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium. It is the stand that is closest to the sea and is known for its passionate and intense atmosphere. The stand was originally built in the 1930s and was completely refurbished in 2014. It has a capacity of over 27,000 and is the largest stand at the stadium. The North Curve is where the majority of the home fans are located, and it is known for its colorful displays and impressive choreography. The fans in the North Curve are known for their unwavering support of the team, and their passion is contagious. When the fans in the North Curve are in full voice, it can be a daunting atmosphere for the opposition. Number 5. The Big Screen. The big screen at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium is a massive video screen that is located at one end of the stadium. It is used to display replays of key moments in the game, as well as other matchday information. The big screen is one of the largest in European football and is an important feature of the matchday experience for fans. It allows spectators to see replays of important moments in the game and to keep up to date with any breaking news or scores from other matches. The big screen is also used to display advertising and other commercial messages. But overall, it is an essential part of the modern football stadium experience. Number 4. The capacity. The Marseille Velodrome Stadium has a capacity of over 67,000 people, making it one of the largest stadiums in France. The stadium was originally built to hold 45,000 spectators, but it was expanded several times to accommodate the growing popularity of the sport. No. 3. The pitch. The pitch at the Marseille Velodrome Stadium is one of the most important features of the ground. It is the area where the magic happens and where the players showcase their skills and determination. The pitch is made up of natural grass and is regularly maintained to ensure that it is in top condition. It measures 105 meters long and 64 meters wide, which is the standard size for a football pitch. The pitch is surrounded by a running track and is visible from all angles, making it easy for spectators to follow the action. It is also equipped with state-of-the-art technology, such as an undersoil heating system to ensure that it can be used all year round. The pitch has hosted some of the most memorable moments in football history, including some of the greatest matches ever played. It is also used for other events, such as concerts and other sporting events. The pitch is an integral part of the Velodrome and is a source of pride for the club and its fans. Note 2. The history. The history of the Marseille Velodrome Stadium dates back to the early 20th century. The stadium was built in 1937 and was originally called the Stade Olympique. It was designed by architect Roger Taillibert and had a capacity of 40,000 spectators. The stadium was home to the football club Olympique de Marseille and quickly became one of the most popular stadiums in France. And finally, no. 1. The location. The location of the Marseille Velodrome Stadium is one of the most unique aspects of the ground. It is situated in the heart of Marseille, one of France's oldest and most vibrant cities. The stadium is located in the 13th arrondissement, or district, and is easily accessible by public transport. It is close to several metro stations and bus routes, making it convenient for fans to get to and from the game. The Velodrome is also located near to a number of restaurants, bars, and shops, making it a great destination for a day out in the city. The stadium itself is situated on a plot of land that was reclaimed from the sea. This makes it particularly well suited to hosting large events such as football matches and concerts. The location of the Velodrome is one of the reasons why it is such a popular venue. The combination of its accessibility, the vibrant atmosphere of the city, and its unique setting make it a must-visit destination for any football fan. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment below with your thoughts. I will see you in the next video.